I'm really sorry. I hope you find something to take my place. Yeah, well, happy holidays to you too. Alright, bye. Love you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Elaine.
Hi, Mrs. Scott.
Hi, Nina.
Mom, can we go with Nina and her mom to sing carols at the nursing house?
Well, sweetie, you see, I have so much stuff to do. I don't think I have time for that. I'm really busy right now. Sorry.
Well, can she come with me and my mom?
Sure, that'd be great.
Oh, goodies.
Okay, you two behave yourselves. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mom. Mom?
Oh, hi, Josiah.
What are you doing?
I'm making cookies for your class at school and all this stuff. I'm doing all this other stuff.
Oh, I did it fancy. Why don't you just buy some of the kids will share?
You serious, Josiah? I didn't watch all those cooking TV shows for nothing. Besides, if Debbie's mom can make gingerbread with all the boys they wanted, I'm sure I can do the same. Besides, I want to show my creativity.
Whatever. I can run over to watch most of them.
Okay, well, you come home as soon as I get home, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Maria.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Hi. Boy, look at all these stuff. Can I help you with cookies?
Well, not really, sweetie. You see, I really want them to be special.
How about the centerpiece for the table?
I want them such a piece to be special too. You know how hard it is to impress your grandma. But don't worry, I'll try my best, okay?
Okay, well, me and Nari are going to our rooms to do stuff to read books.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, Maria.
Bye.
Whoa. Christmas is for kids. And we adults do all the work for it while they enjoy everything. Ought to be young. So much stuff to do. I'm just sit down for a while and close my eyes for a little bit.
Greetings, greetings.
Oh? Who are you?
I am the Angel of Joy.
Angel of Joy? So you're the Angel of Joy, huh? What joy is there? Especially at this time of the year, with all the advertising going on in September. People getting disappointed for not getting what they wanted for Christmas. Buying presents for people you don't know. And for those you don't really like. Especially when people get disappointed for Christmas not happening like how it does on the TV shows.
Well, real joy is the joy of God's presence. Joy is giving. Joy stands for Jesus, others, and yourself in that order. Joy is the coming of Jesus, then, now, and in the future. God's joy to you.
Amen. Amen.
Another one? And you are?
I'm Angel of Peace.
Angel of Peace? There can't really be peace. Why would families arguing? Countries fighting? People fighting because of their differences? What peace is there? And when you think there's peace, another problem pops up.
You are looking at peace the wrong way. True peace is knowing God's in control. Jesus came to bring peace on earth and peace in the heart of those who accept Him. Peace with God, peace unto you.
Amen. Glory.
You.
Oh, give me a break. You're the angel of what?
I am the
Amen.
New hope, a hope of a life that is better than this. Hope is found through faith in God's person and love. Jesus is the hope of the world.
Amen.
A hope of life.
I know, you're an angel.
I am the angel of love. The spirit of Christmas is God's love sent down to earth in His Son. God's love to you.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Joy, peace, hope, and love. But that's what the true spirit of Christmas is about. The food, gifts, tree, and decorations are only there for us to enjoy.
Amen.
Christmas is for us to celebrate. Christmas is intended to be a celebration, not a contest. A celebration of the birth of our Christ and all that it brings to